Hi fellows, been back again. Well, that's where Sherpa is at the moment. This was a beautiful, beautiful pine forest. The government has leveled it, pulled out all the beautiful trees. I don't know what they have in mind, but that's the Sherpa and that's the pillion. Just look at this beautiful machine. What a presence! What a presence! Fuck. Ginormous by the 411 standards because of that tank. Everything else is narrow. Just the tank is bulky. And that's the pillion. Hi, pillion! Hello! Ashi is back on the motorcycle. We've just stepped out for a breakfast ride of sorts, and yeah, going to be hitting the roads. Now, I did a little bit of a sand patch. Somehow brought the bike here. It isn't as easy as it is on the 411. It's because the 411 has that low down chuggability. The 450 doesn't really enjoy the chugging factor, but it has enough oomph once you know how to play with the throttle to now counter for the 411's ability to casually putter along. Any which ways, good tires would make a world of a difference on sand. These tires are not sand specific, sand business. They're definitely not for sand, so I shouldn't be complaining. I should be an idiot to complain. But yep, let's just take the bike to the main road and see. Ashi, do you like the place? Love it, right? Walk along. Taking it that way. So, I saw that. Body weight business, body weight. I need to go. Where do I need to go? That's where I need to go. Always where you need to go, fellas. Always where you need to go. Let the bike do its thing. Always where you need to go. Especially on sand. Don't look in the front. There you go. All this is sand. And then this helps. Oh, this is a piece of cake. I didn't think this would be easy. Give it the throttle, let the momentum build up. Woo! Look at where I'm at, fellas. Would you look at that? Ah, lovely, ain't it? Beautiful. So it's just a matter of throttling. Like, you need to know how much of throttle converts into how much of traction. Take some time. For beginners, you guys will need to learn this. Don't take this bike on sand just like that. Yeah, this is good. This is definitely doable, easy. But when you have deep sand business, some parts, yes, a lot of deep sand. Just practice little stretches, and then I'm not in the mood to. I've never really felt like I should be sharing riding tips as such, is because the whole beauty of riding, according to me, is to learn with all the mistakes. Multiple times of making mistakes, you should be able to pick it up. Anybody should be able to pick it up. It's definitely not rocket science. As long as you pay attention, you pick it up. And the sheer joy of being able to do it on your own, to figure it out on your own and then do it on your own, that's completely taken away if somebody gives you tips and tricks. At least that's how I feel. If somebody were to give me a lot of tips and tricks, then I've lost it. I've lost it. I lose the joy of taming terrain by myself. I mean, that's how I feel. So I would, you know, place my bet on practice, repetitive attempts, than on going to a school, learning the tips and tricks. I'm not here to win a race. I'm not here to compete with anybody. Wow, that's a kingfisher. Oh, that's a woodpecker. Two of them. Yeah, so where was I? I'm not here to win a race. Not here to compete with anybody. I'm just here having a nice time on my motorcycle and trying to figure out if I can do this, if I can do that, and that's the joy of it for me. Second gear, stand up immediately. Like this could be a dab if there is a need for a dab. If there isn't, feathering the clutch, and oh, which way is the descent? A dab. That's the descent. Let the bike do its thing. Don't look too close. Let's try this way. With the sand, there's a very high possibility that you might ruin your clutch by feathering it a little too much. So the right gear matters. Yep, so the beauty of any machine is you exploring the limits of that machine, and not wanting to just use it as eye candy, show it to people, and then it's not a collector's item. Machines, definitely not. These machines should work with you. They should solve a purpose. They should come in handy for something. Motorcycles, definitely something. Experiential. There's no ownership over a motorcycle if you don't ride it. Like frequently, occasionally, that's up to you. But unless you ride it, doesn't make any sense to own a motorcycle. I have this, I have that, all that is just wasting time talking meaningless things. What's important is whether you can ride it and feel liberated, feel all free. The equivalent to freedom. That is motorcycling. So, if this helped, it helped. Ben signing out for now. Ciao.